Sabaw na masarap bagay sa tag-ulan, orange sotanghon. Let's start cooking. Meron akong kalahating manok na pinapakuluan na just half a chicken and meron siyang konting onions and celery. Yung gagawin ko dito, I will scoop it out. I will just throw it into the ice bath. Ito naman, sa aking pot, I will just like remove the scum, di ba, yung mga excess oil na sa taas. So what we want to get here is the laman. And all the bones, I will put back to my stock. What I will do with my chicken now is I will just shred for my topping. And what I will do now, I will start off by, meron akong squid balls dito. Piprituhin ko yung aking squid balls. Prito-prito lang natin ating squid balls. And let's put our squid balls aside. Saute garlic, onions. Saute our carrots. And to give it a nice orange color, ito yung gamit natin. Annato powder. Please grab a copy of my cookbooks, Simpol 101, Simple Kitchen Secrets, and Baking Simple, available at Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Kaya add to cart na. So, rather than just using plain water, we are using the chicken stock, and it's very important to taste. Ayan. Chamba! Perfect! Siguro mga 2 more minutes para gusto ko yung carrots ko medyo luto. I don't like my carrots to be crunchy in my soup. So, ready na yung ating soup. And now, I will add my sotanghon. Ayan. I will also add part of my shredded chicken. And now, I will add my cabbage. Cooks very quickly as well. I'll add cabbage, black pepper, and now, all we have to do is plate. Sarap kasi ng sotanghon pag bagong luto. Di ba yung very silky when you slurp into it, di ba? Oh, so ito na yung toppings natin. Pwedeng personalize, no? Put your own toppings. Pero pwede na tayo nagagawa. We'll just add a little bit of our cabbage sa gitna. Then we have our shredded chicken. May spring onions. Fried garlic. Lalagay ko siya para yung fried garlic flavor. Meron tayong fried tokwa. You will definitely love this bowl of deliciousness. Try nyo tong recipe natin. Of course, delicious, nutritious, and budget-friendly. Ating orange sotanghon soup, simple!